I love this hustle, being my own boss, driving store to store, but I'm going to be real with you. These in-store gig apps are not for everybody. For me personally, I actually love it. I wake up early, leave my house, and I love moving around, not stuck in one place, and I love being my own boss and having no one to answer to. I could hit a few stores, stack some gigs, maybe mix it in with a couple of deliveries, and it feels like I'm really running my own business. No boss, no schedule, just me deciding where I go. Now, just so you know, these apps don't really pay that much. Most gigs are only a few dollars, but if you stack them right, it could add up to be a decent side hustle income along the lines of like Uber Eats and DoorDash, what you would expect to get paid in the time that you would work. Here's the part that people don't tell you. You're doing a lot of walking. If you're not someone that likes to walk, if you're kind of someone that likes to sit down all day, maybe you do like regular Uber driving people and stuff and not used to getting out of the car that much, then you're going to be walking a lot. I actually like it because I get my exercise, so I'm not sitting here in my office all day making videos. But when I do my gigs, if it's a busy day and I'm working like 4 or 5 hours, I'll do well over 10,000 steps. Most of the jobs are going to be at Sam's Club, Walmart, and BJ's. And these places, you have to park like a mile away. You have to park, then walk all the way into the store, and these stores are huge. So you're going to be getting your exercise. So if that's not something that you're interested in, you don't like to walk, you don't walk that fast, and it bothers you getting out of the car and walking in the stores, then this is definitely not for you. Next is pictures. You're going to be taking a lot of pictures. And that's why they pay you. They need to see what's on the shelf. So a lot of times you'll be taking pictures of a whole aisle in these huge stores like Sam's Club, BJ's, and Walmart, and it's a lot of pictures. So yeah, you're basically walking in, taking pictures and walking out, but it is a lot of pictures. And if you don't like taking pictures or you can't get a system down where you could take your pictures fast, you're going to have some difficulty and it's going to take you a really long time. For me, I got it down to a science. I take the pictures as I walk. I walk sideways through the aisle, pressing the button on my phone. Most modern iPhones, you could take the pictures while you're walking. So it is a lot of pictures, but with any job, anything you're doing, you could get better and be more efficient at it. So yeah, it's not hard work as in you're going to be doing difficult or hard tasks, but it's not as easy as some people make it sound either. It takes time, attention to detail, and you have to follow the instructions. Otherwise, you could do all of the work for nothing and you won't get paid at all. So here's what I actually make when doing this. So on a normal day, when it is busy, I usually will do Uber Eats or DoorDash in the morning, like 7 to 9. And as I'm going, I'll start reserving the gigs. They drop more in the afternoon. And then also the stores like Sam's Club, BJ's, they don't open till like 8:39. So I don't want to be the first one in the door doing these gigs. And most of them are going to be $3. So you're going to have to do a lot of them. But the thing is, a lot of them will be very close to each other. So you could plan a route and you won't be driving back and forth. That's what I do once I have enough reserved. And you could expect to make like 18 to about $25 an hour, but that's not including gas, depending on what kind of car you drive. I have a hybrid, so gas really isn't that big of an issue. It's a lot less driving than doing delivery apps. If you like moving around, if you like getting out of the house, going to different stores, and you like the adventure of these type of mystery shops, then go enjoy this, make some money, a good side hustle income. But if you're looking for fast money, making money sitting at home, or making money for not doing anything, then this is definitely not the side hustle for you. Also, a lot of people are nervous or feel awkward taking pictures in stores. They don't want to get confronted by the staff. And if you want to see what I do when I get confronted by staff members, check out this video over here.